Okay, good morning. We're on the roof of Kirk Delpo. This is Francisco. We're getting ready to attempt the repair. Okay, great. So we have the new shingle in, and as you can see, the shingles surrounding are already starting to crease. So you can see right over there, and then there's already a crease right over here, and the above ones where Francisco took the nail up, right over there, already. Yep, already not pliable to do a repair on the roof. And once again, this is the roof of Kirk Delpo. Here's the other slope that's been approved. And this is Kirk Delpo.